Not too many newsmakers, but the fact that there is a shade of green right at the top, it is a clear indication that while we're talking about tariff, the nervousness in US market is higher than the nervousness in the Indian market. US would be imposing tariffs and other countries would be on the receiving end, but the countries which are on the receiving end, that's where financial panic clearly is not there. We're off to a good start. We've had 2 days of a crunch down, not a meltdown, and that was largely because of short selling. So can there be a trigger in the mid-afternoon trade ahead of the tariff final picture, which could lead to a bout of profit, which could lead to a bout of short covering? Let's see. Not too many newsmakers, but I want to just flag off that Goldman Sachs report, especially on Tata Consumer, because it's a mighty upgrade at least on that counter. 7% higher. I mean, it doesn't deserve to go 7% because of that upgrade, but yeah, I mean, somebody's buying the stock. Who are we to challenge that? Vodafone, 20%. Can it be another day out in the sun for Vodafone? No. And this is the point we were making yesterday, that Vodafone may do well in the short term, but in the long term, that equity which has got bloated for Vodafone, it's unlikely to make a lot of money for minority shareholders. Trent has got 1,000 stores now. Yes, I read, I think, one of those large newspaper ads yesterday where it says that it's really adding a lot. And then everybody is talking about, why the stock should actually do well. Not too many newsmakers, Aisha, but it's a good start, a rub of green nevertheless, at least for Indian markets.
Yeah, it is. It's good to see some amount of relief, which you can see on the screens. Kunal, what's your stock preference like though?
Yeah, I'll go with Jio Finance. That's an interesting chart, inverted head and shoulder pattern for the stock. 232 is the breakout point. So about those levels, would look out for a decent upside over the short term for Jio Finance.
Okay, that's Jio Financial. That's a buy call coming in from Kunal. Let's now move on and given that it's such a lackluster day, it's all about really what Trump's tariffs announcement are going to do, how the markets are going to react. Before that, let me take it across to Rajesh as well and get in his stock strategies too. Rajesh, what's on your list?
I think Bharti can be looked at on the buying side. Very stable structure in this kind of volatile market. So Bharti may outperform from here onwards. A possible target towards 1765 to 1775 we may see. So Bharti one can buy with stop loss of 1710.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.